Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your Facebook pixel inside Meta Ads Manager and connect it to your Shopify store. Let's get started. 1. Go to Meta Business Settings. First, open your browser and go to business.facebook.com. Log into your account and from the left menu, click Business Settings. This is where you manage everything: pixels, events, and ad accounts. 2. Create your Facebook pixel. Inside Business Settings, scroll down on the left and click Data Sources, then Pixels. Click the blue Add button. Now give your pixel a name, for example, My Store Pixel. Click Create. Congratulations! Your pixel is now created. 3. Open Events Manager. Next, click Open in Events Manager. Here you'll see your new pixel and its setup options. At this moment, it will say No activity yet. That's normal, because we haven't connected it to Shopify. 4. Connect the pixel to Shopify. Now, go to Shopify Admin, Settings, and Apps and Sales Channels. Click on Facebook and Instagram, the Meta app. If you haven't installed it yet, search for it in the Shopify App Store and install it. Inside the Meta app, click Start Setup. Connect your Facebook account, Business Manager, Ad account, and Facebook page. Then you'll reach the Data Sharing section. Here, you'll see your pixel. Select the pixel you just created. Then choose Data Sharing equals Enhanced for better tracking. Click Save. 5. Verify pixel connection. Return to Events Manager. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you should start seeing green active status. If you visit your Shopify store, Events Manager will show events like Page View, View Content, Add to Cart, Purchase after first sale. This means your pixel is successfully tracking. Thanks for watching.